Alright, the iPhone X is being cancelled. Not really. So there are rumors that iPhone will cancel their new phone, the iPhone X, the phone that costs more than $1,000. And the rumors are not completely false. The phone costs a lot of money for what you're getting. The face recognition doesn't work all the time. It's pretty bad. I tried it out and I really don't like it. In China, the sales are very low, so Apple is not doing good business with their expensive phones. And especially the notch on top of the iPhone X makes people angry because the screen real estate is very weird compared to, for example, the Samsung Galaxy S8, I think it is. The screen real estate is very weird with the notch on top. I don't really mind the notch, but there are actually a lot of people who do mind it. So yeah, for Apple that's not really good. And there are of course a lot of other things with the iPhone X that don't appeal to some people, but it's been since the iPhone 5C that Apple cancelled a phone. And if they would really do it with the iPhone X, that would be breaking and very weird news, because the iPhone X was announced like a flagship phone, of course, the iPhone 5C wasn't. And then that would mean that Apple would cancel a flagship phone, and that would be very weird from Apple, because they work on these phones years in years out, and that means they blew it with this phone. In my opinion, they already did with the facial recognition. That's really bad in my opinion, but hey, it's still Apple. I just think that phones that cost more than $1,000 should do something extraordinary, and the iPhone X doesn't do that. It's not worth $1,000 if you're honest. That's like working almost a month for me, and I won't work a month for a phone that when I drop it, it's dead and it's broken and I have to buy a new one. I can spare up for a new car instead than buying a $1,000 phone yet. So that's why I really wouldn't mind that Apple blows it here and that they cancel the iPhone X, because that would mean that they give in to the haters and to the people that say, yeah, it's a bad phone, the notch is bad, the Face ID is bad, the sales are bad, and that would mean that Apple says like, yeah, we did a bad job with our new flagship phone and we admit it. But what do you think? Should Apple cancel their iPhone X or should they not? And why should they not, or why should they? Alright, leave a like down below if you liked this video. See ya!